Hey beautiful people, I am here to remind you that it's not too late to start your glow up in 2025. If hindi niyo pa alam, I am using Yugo Babe to help me stay glowing this year. It's a beauty and health supplement that you take once a day bago ka kumain. Para sa akin, nakaka-help siya to suppress my daily cravings na over the top talaga. And it has vitamin C na kailangan talaga natin pang araw-araw. Vitamin E, collagen, glutathione, and Garcinia cambogia. Kung naman yung last, i-google nyo na lang. This is new kasi naubos na namin ni Mama yung last batch. So let's open it. Cute supplements. And just gonna take this. Isa lang. Naku. And that's it. Guys, don't be surprised. Malaki ang aking jug. That's it. I am ready to start my day with Yugo Babe. Even influenced my mama na gamitin ito. And kahit yung best friend ko. So how about you guys? Gusto mo bang mag-glow this year? Subukan mo to.